Exercise 7.4, question number 1. NC8 equals NC2. Find NC2. So NC2 enna kekranga. So we very well know that NCR equals NC n minus R. Theorem la padichoma. So what do you have? R equals 8. So your n minus R equals 2. So on comparing these two, what do I have? N minus 8 equals 2. So n equals 10. Okay. So what is my NC2? When I simply substitute the value for n, I have 10C2, which will be 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 8 factorial. 10 minus 2, 8. So I'll have 10, 9, 8 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 8 factorial. 8, 8 cancel I don't. 2 factorial is nothing but 2. So 2 5s are. So my final answer is 45. So you simply have to remember this relation. NCR equals NC n minus R. N minus R la irukkiradhu is equal to R. So simply when you equate, R equals 8, n minus R equals 2. So R substitute panna n 10. You can simply substitute. Okay. Second question. Determine n if 2n C3 is to NC3 equals 12 is to 1. So NCR formula enna? N factorial divided by R factorial times n minus R factorial. Okay. So in the இடத்துல 2n the whole factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2n minus 3 the whole factorial. The whole divided by NC3 n factorial divided by 3 factorial times n minus 3 the whole factorial equals 12 divided by 1. Okay. So in the இடத்துல 3 factorial and the 3 factorial will get cancelled. So when I try to open this, what do I have? 2n times 2n minus 1 times 2n minus 2 times 2n minus 3 the whole factorial divided by, I have 2n minus 3 the whole factorial in the denominator, the whole divided by n factorial can also be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 the whole factorial. Oh, I have n minus 3 here. So I can write till n minus 3. So n minus 2, n minus 3 the whole factorial divided by n minus 3 the whole factorial equals 12 divided by 1. If n cancel agudhu, this and this will get cancelled. This and this will get cancelled. So I do not have the denominators in both numerator and denominator. So what will I be left with? 2n times 2n minus 1. In the term, 2 common edukalama. So 2 into n minus 1. I'm taking the 2 outside into n minus 1 divided by, what is here? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 equals 12 divided by 1. This n and this n will get cancelled. N minus 1 and n minus 1 will get cancelled. So I'm left with 2 into 2n minus 1 into 2 divided by n minus 2 equals 12. So I'm going to cross multiply. I have 4 times 2n minus 1 equals 12 times n minus 2. So when I multiply, 8n minus 4 equals 12n minus 24. So n oru pakkam, numbers oru pakkam. So minus 4 plus 20 equals 12n minus 8n. So this will be, 24. 20 equals 12 minus 8n, 4n. So n equals 20 by 4, which is 5. So this is the value of n. Okay. Second subsection, it is very similar to the previous one. So 2nc3 is to nc3 equals 11 is to 1. Instead of 12, you have 11. So similar steps, 2n the whole factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2n minus 3 the whole factorial divided by n factorial divided by 3 factorial n minus 3 factorial equals 11 divided by 1. So if 3 and the 3 will get cancelled. 2n எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 2n times 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 the whole factorial divided by 2n minus 3 the whole factorial. Denominator என்ன இருக்கும்? n, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 the whole factorial divided by n minus 3 the whole factorial equals 11. So n minus 3 and n minus 3, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 3. So what am I left with? When I take 2 outside of this, I'll have 2n minus 1, 2 times n minus 1 divided by n into n minus 1, n minus 2 equals 11 divided by 1. So when I cross multiply, I have 4 into 2n minus 1 equals 11 into n minus 2. So 8n minus 4 equals 11n minus 22. So n along oru pakkam kondu pona minus 4 plus 22 equals 11n minus 8n. So I have 18 equals 3n. n equals 18 divided by 3, which is 6. Okay. Question number 3. How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? So total number of points in I have 21 points. To draw a chord, how many points do I need? 1, 2. Correct? So I need 2 points to draw a chord. So I have 21 points in total. So I can choose 2 cards out of the 21 to draw the chord. Correct? மொத்தமா 21 points இருக்கு. அதிலேந்து 2 choose பண்ணா போதும் to draw a chord. Okay? So 21C2 is 21 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 21 minus 2 factorial. It will be 21 factorial divided by 2 factorial times 19 factorial. 21, 20, 19. Cancel panna 210 options. Okay. Fourth question. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? So I have 5 boys and 4 girls. I need to choose 3 boys and 3 girls. So எப்படி choose பண்ணலாம்? 5 choose 3. 3 boys from 5 boys. In how many ways? 3 boys and 3 girls. And na multiplication. So it will be 4C3. Choosing 3 girls from the 4 girls in total. So 5C3 into 4C3, which will be 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 minus 3 will be 2 factorial, times 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 minus 3 is 1 factorial. So this will be 5 times 4 times 3 factorial divided by 2 times 4 times 3 factorial divided by 1. So this cancel achuna 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40. So 40 ways. Okay. Question number 5. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red. So red எவ்வளோ இருக்கு? 6. Then 5 white balls and 5 blue balls. So I need to choose 9 balls from these such that if each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. So இப்போ ரெட்லேருந்து 3 வேணும், ஒயிட்லேருந்து 3 வேணும், blueலேருந்து 3 வேணும். 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9 balls. So in total I need 9 balls, out of which 3 has to be from 3 combinations. Okay. So இதிலேருந்து I need 3 white, I need 3 blue, and in total I need 9 balls. Correct? So I can choose 3 balls from the 6 red, and I can choose 3 balls from the 5 white, and I can choose 3 balls from the 5 blue. Inga and, okay, in total I need 9 balls. அதனால இங்க add பண்றேன். But when you do the combination, I'm choosing 3 balls and பண்ணாதான் 3 plus 3 plus 3 9 ஆகும். Okay, or பண்ணா it is like I'm picking only 3 red balls or 3 white balls or 3 blue balls ஆயிடும். And பண்ணாதான் I'm taking 9 balls in total. So C3 will be 6 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial times 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 5 minus 3, 2. Again 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. So this will be 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2. 3 factorial cancel ஆயிடும். Times 5 factorial can also be written as 5, 4 into 3 factorial. 3 factorial cancel ஆயிடும். I will be left with 2. So similarly 5 into 4 divided by 2. So 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 2 2s are. So I will be left with 5 4s are 20 times 10 times 10. So I will be left with 2000 ways. Okay. Sixth question. Determine the number of 5 card combination out of a deck of 52 cards. So in total, I have 52 cards. I need to pick up 5 cards in total. And I need to have one ace in each combination. So how many ace cards do I have? A heart, A diamond, A of clubs, and A of spade. Correct? So how many aces do I have? 4 aces. I need to have at least one ace in the combination. In the 5 card la or ace avudhu irukano. So I can choose one ace from my 4 aces, and the remaining cards can be chosen from. If 4 ace poiduchuna 52 minus 4 will be 48. So I have 4 ace cards and I have 48 non-ace cards. In total I have to pick up 5 cards. So one ace kandipa irukano. Meedi 4 can be from the non-ace cards. So 4c1 and 4 factorial, 1 factorial, 4 minus 1, 3 factorial times 48c4 is 48 factorial, 4 factorial, 48 minus 4, 44 factorial. So I'll have 4 into 3 factorial cancel I know times 48, 47, 46, 45, 44 cancel I know. So I'll have 4, 3, 2, 1. So now I have 2, 23, 4, 12, 3 4s are. So I'll be left with 4 into 4, 47, 23, 45. 4, 47, 23, 45. So my final answer will be 778320. Okay. Question number 7. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players? So in total there are 17 players and I need to choose 11 players in which only 5 players can bowl. So this is the players to be selected, and bowlers I have 5. Okay. And if each cricket team of 11 must include 4 bowlers. Okay. 4 bowlers kandipa irukano appadina. I need 11 in total and I want 4 bowlers plus 11 minus 4. So 7 other players. Okay. So how can I choose? This is 11 in total. So I need 4 bowlers. So I'm going to choose 4 bowlers from the 5 bowlers that I have, and I need to choose 7 more people from 5 bowlers irukanga. Total 17 irukanga. So how many non-bowlers? Non-bowlers will be 17 minus 5, which is 12. So I need to choose the remaining 7 from the 12 that is remaining. Okay. 5 plus 12, 17. Total 17 players. 5 are bowlers. I need to choose 4 bowlers. 7 other players, non-bowlers. So, 17 minus 5 is 12, non-bowlers. So, I can choose from them. So, what is 5c4? 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial times 1 factorial times 12 factorial, 7 factorial, 5 factorial. 12 minus 7, 5. So, I'll have 5 times 4 factorial cancel I know times 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 factorial cancel I know divided by 5 factorial, which is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what do I have? 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 5 2s are. So I'll be left with 5, 12, 11, 3 2s are 6. So this will be 60 times 66. 6 6 are 36, 3 36, 39, 3960 ways. Okay. Question number 8. A bag contains 5 black balls and 6 red balls. Okay. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black. So, idhilendhu 2 black edukano and 3 reds can be selected. So, how can I choose? 5 choose 2. Choosing 2 black from the 5 balls that I have and choosing 3 balls from the 6 balls that I have. So, it will be 5C2. Is it an AND? Where 2 balls and 3 red. So 2 black and 3 red. Okay. So 5C2 is 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2 factorial times 6 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial. Which will be 5 into 4 times 3 factorial divided by 2 times 6, 5, 4, 3 factorial cancel I know. I'll have a 3 factorial, which is 3 into 2. So 2 2s are 3 2s are 6. So I'll be left with 10, into 20, which is 200 ways. Okay. Last question of the exercise. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses from the 9 courses? So 9 courses total irukku. I need to choose 5. Okay, 5 to choose, and 2 specific courses are compulsory. So compulsory will be 2 courses and not compulsory will be 9 minus 2, which is 7 courses. In total there are 9 courses. I need to choose 5, out of which 2 are compulsory and 7 are not compulsory. So total are 2 compulsory courses plus 3 which are not compulsory. So I can choose the 2 compulsory courses from the 2 that I have, and I need to choose 3 from the not compulsory courses. Okay, 2 compulsory from the 2 that I have, because 2 is must, and in total I have to choose 5 courses. So with the remaining 3 from the 7 not compulsory courses I will be taking. So 2C2 and 2 factorial, 0 factorial times NCN is basically 1. Always remember, 7C3 is 7 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial. So this will be 1 into 7, 6, 5, 4 factorial cancel idom. 3 factorial is 3 into 2. 4 factorial cancel idom. So 3 2s are 6. So I'll be left with 35 ways. Okay. So we are done with permutations and combinations. If you want me to solve the miscellaneous exercise, do let me know. All the best for your exams.